In the late 18th century, Great Britain stood on the brink of a transformation that would change the world forever. The old ways of life, defined by slow manual labor and the rhythm of the seasons, were beginning to fade away. Innovation became the new heartbeat of the nation. James Watt's steam engine provided the power to drive this new era. No longer dependent on muscle or water, machines now operate with a powerful, tireless mechanical precision. Vast textile mills emerged where workers operated rows of mechanical looms, redefining the nature of production and labor. As factories multiplied, cities grew at an unprecedented rate, forever altering the skyline with the smoke of progress. This power moved the world. Steam locomotives raced across the countryside, connecting distant markets and fueling further growth. The contrast was stark. Quiet rural lanes were quickly overshadowed by crowded, iron-filled city streets teeming with life. From these iron gears, the foundations of our modern digital world were laid, sparking an evolution that continues today. The Industrial Revolution remains the dawn of our modern age. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and see you in the next video.